First of all, you're going to use the in-floor heat.
Yes.
You're going to use it to whatever extent you can. Knowing, I'm going to tell you right now, knowing that the in-floor heat is probably not long to the road, that you probably just have to put, hanging heaters in
I
here.
understand.
Because you're just not going to, they put this in 72.
It's been a while. I don't know.
So I'm just going to tell you, your system's not going to last as long as you may think it will.
I
And as a
understand.
matter of fact, if you have it done, you need to have somebody come in and flush the fucker, because they use galvanized, and you got to make the pipes puke. They got this fucking shit they run through there.
It's all plastic.
Is it all plastic?
Yeah.
Okay. But I would go right fucking there. That's right in the middle of where they wanted us to drill.
Yes. Are you okay with that? We'll be responsible if we hit anything. If we start hitting a geyser, I guess we're responsible.
All right, if you guys, that's fine by me. That's
We're-
my only concern.
We're responsible. If you hit water,
If I hit gold, it's mine then too,
Hey,
right?
you fucking right.
Oh yeah. You'd be fucking.
all right. Let's. All right.
Texas tea.
This is right in the middle of the stream like they wanted, right?
Yes.
$15 What does it take? Yeah, there ain't a fucking ounce of. Look at the dust. There ain't no fucking shit out in there. 15 inches.
Got it.
And look at the. I mean, you can spread
There's
this.
not a
You can spread this out. There's no discoloration in the fucking shit at all.
good enough for me.